Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to share Reels on Instagram feed. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. While you are waiting and locating and opening your Instagram, I'll be here waiting, so go ahead and take your time. Once you are on Instagram this time, the next thing to do is to create a new post by clicking on the plus sign in the middle of your screen. Once you're here, you will now have the option to create either a post, a story, or a reel or live. But for now, we will head on over and click on Reel. In here, I already made a simple adjustment and a video with my laptop keyboard. Once you're satisfied with your post, click on Next. Once you click on Next, once again, tap on the button that says Next on the lower right. And in here, turn on the button that says Also Share to Feed. In here, your video may appear in Reels and can be seen on the Reels lab of your profile. And that's okay, that's what we want. Once we're done, click on the button that says Share to Reels. Go ahead and tap that button. When this pop-up appears, all you have to do is click on the button that says Share. Just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.